Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. If you got to this point in the video, it's like 2 seconds in. Just subscribe. Go ahead and do it.
Hey, cocky as fuck, everything about me popping. Got face, I got body, you name it, I got it.
Hey y'all. I'm coming to y'all with my bun tutorial, showing y'all how I do my hot bun. Starting off with pretty much dry hair. I had it in a low braided ponytail for a couple days as a protective style, and now I'm going to put it up in a hot bun. Everything I use will be listed below, so don't worry. Click on the description box if you want to know all the products I use, the tools I used, and I don't use much. So after I detangle my hair, I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner from Dr. Bronners, just to soften up the hair, because I did have other products in the hair from before, but not a lot. And I just wanted to soften it up so that it doesn't flake. And now I'm going to start with the molding process. I flip my hair over and start to brush everything in the same direction so that it'll be ready for me when it's time to put it in a ponytail. Having a detangler brush for this process is really important because you don't want it to be bumpy or lumpy. I go between a detangler brush and a hard brush when doing any kind of ponytail, any kind of high bun, just so that it could be nice and smooth. That's the last thing you want, like a bumpy ponytail. And then once it's time to take it down, it's gonna be all matted and dry and stuff. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure it's nice and smooth and detangled. And on this part, you're going to see me pretty much take the end of my hair and put it into a little bun, just to make it easier on myself when I'm trying to mold my hair down with gel and put it in a ponytail. I found that this helps when you have long hair, because if not, your hair's going to be all over the place, going to be falling, and you trying to put it up in a ponytail and it's all over the place. So taking my Eco Solid Gel, I'm going to start the molding process. I don't use a lot of product. I try not to use a lot of product because it will flake on you, but I just use just enough, and I go in after I brush and see where I need to add product. That way I'm not overloading my hair with product. When I tell y'all this is an arm workout, like my little arms be on fire doing this. So now I'm gonna take my Nairobi silk foam. They use it in a hairdresser to do like the roller sets, but I like to use it on my ponytails because it make it nice and sleek, and it like lay it down and then like lock it in, because I guess it's a setting foam, so it like locks everything in, and that's what helps me keep my ponytails, my buns, and everything together for a couple days when I'm trying to do a protective style. And the most important parts of your protective style is making sure that your ends are moisturized and sealed in with moisture, so that when it's time to tuck them, you don't have to worry about them splitting, them falling off, anything. So I just kind of do a quick wrap around. Nothing serious. You see how quick it happened. It's really not that hard. You just take the hair and you wrap it around. You secure it with a bobby pin. You don't secure the ends first. You secure a couple inches away from the ends. And you'll see in this clip that I take my oil and I coat my bobby pins in oil, so that way it's not breaking off my hair if I leave it on there for a couple days. And then you see I use that bobby pin with the oil on it to tuck my ends. That way you know, that they're still secure and they're still moisturized, and the bobby pin doesn't break off my hair. And then you go back and you add some hairpins and bobby pins where you feel that it's needed, pretty much. I never use more than 5, because I feel like after that point it just starts hurting and it takes away from the shape. And you'll see that I'm shaping my bun and making it like the size I want. It was kind of high, and I was going for a ballerina type bun. And then my next process is taking a little bit of hairspray just to set everything in place. Don't kill yourself like I did. And I just take my toothbrush and go in and do my edges. So that's the end of this video. Everything is in the description box for me. I'm gonna let y'all listen to the music, and I'll see y'all in the next video.